Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Dear audience, I'm very glad to get this opportunity to say something before you. True to say, I'm not a good speaker. Before going to talk about my topic, I would like to thank my class teacher and my friends. Dear audience, I'm not in the habit of speaking in public place. Anyhow, I'll try to deliver my speech on today's topic. The topics are self-introduction and family. Dear participants, now I would like to introduce myself. This is Faisal Karim Munna. My nickname is Munna. I'm a student. I completed my primary education from 𝐶𝐀𝐊h𝐈𝐋 Government School. I gave the SSC examination from NIP High School this year. Then I admitted into Prime English Academy. Now I'm a student of Prime. I come from Chittagong, Hatajari. My hobby is traveling, but I like football. I would like to be a businessman. That's all about me. Now I would like to tell you about my family. My father's name is Mohammed Abdul Malik. He's a businessman. My mother's name is Samu Selin Akhtar. She's a successful housewife. I have no brothers, but I have two younger sisters. That's all about my family. Dear friends, now I would like to finish here today. See you again some other day. May Allah bless all of you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
Thank you very much. Dear my students.